In a whirlwind of fluff, one adventurous hamster named Mr. Nibbles discovered that hiccups can be quite the unexpected spectacle. As he munched on his favorite carrot, an endless stream of hiccups erupted, causing him to leap into the air with every hic. His owner couldn't hold back laughter as Mr. Nibbles twirled in circles, trying to shake off the sudden hiccup attack. Visibly confused, he glanced around as if asking, what just happened? This led to a flurry of adorable moments, with Mr. Nibbles pausing mid-bite, looking utterly bewildered by the sounds he was making. His eventual recovery featured a triumphant race on his wheel, proving that even hiccups can't stop a hamster from having a good time.